Hi, it's Mr. Tush over at Global. Let's take a quick look at how we are going to make a timer. So this is a timer game, and I've kind of set it up for you where I've got the clicks counting for you, and I've got this button, and I've got a little piece of direction here in this sprite. You can use this. You can certainly make your own and do a lot better than I did. When I click the green flag, it sets everything to 0, and then I start clicking on this, it starts adding. How did I do that? Well, I say when this sprite is clicked, I use this clicks variable to store my score, and it changes the clicks by 1 every time I click it. And then when I click the green flag, it sets the clicks back to 0. It's pretty straightforward. That's what I've given you in advance. The first thing I need to do is I need to make a timer. Well, to make a timer, I need a variable. I need a variable that's going to score the value of time. So I'm going to make a variable called time. Click that in there now. I've got this variable called time. Now I'm going to have that timer triggered by the green flag. So I'm going to throw in a green flag code. And I'm going to say that once I click the green flag, I'm going to use this control loop. I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. And I'm going to say that every time it goes through this little repeat loop, it's going to wait a second, and then it's going to change my timer, my time variable, by -1. So what I'm doing is I'm saying, okay, go through it 10 times. Each time, wait a second, and then go through -1. Wait another second, go through by -1. So I click this, and there we go. Now, oops, how did I end up with that? Well, when I click the green flag, I already had it set for 0. Well, when I click the green flag, I actually want to set my time to 10. Does that make sense? Now, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And fortunately, it stops for us here. We don't have to keep it going into negative numbers. It's a more advanced function, and we don't have to account for that now. Now, what happens is I click the green flag, I start clicking on this, and I go through it, and there we go. Unfortunately, I can keep playing after the game's done. So when it's all done, I'm also going to want to have it stop. I'm going to want to have it go to a different thing. I'm going to have to give me my score. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have it check every time if it's done, and each time it runs through this, if the time equals 0, I'm going to send a broadcast message. So I'm going to use an if then. I'm going to stick it in here, and I'm going to say, I'm going to use this equals, and I'm going to say if my timer is 0, then I'm going to send out a broadcast message. Everybody loves broadcast messages. I'm going to broadcast something called game over. I've already made that in my message called game over. What's going to happen when I click game over? I'll tell you what. I'm going to have the sprite, when I receive game over, I'm going to have it hide. And just to be clean, I have to make sure it shows when I click the green flag. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is when this one receives game over, it's going to disappear. So I have to make sure when the green flag is clicked, and when I receive, sorry, my bad, when I receive game over, and I'm going to make sure that this thing shows on the green flag and hides on this. We go over here. I already did program the game over for you. Game over, it goes to Beach Malibu. I'll make sure that there's an event handler in here. When the green flag is clicked, it's going to switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. So ideally, do my clicking, I test it. I'll just rest my hand here for a minute, let it accept a 43, and it tells me my clicks are 43. I can add things to it, like have it show me a game over, things like that. But you'll notice that it does stop the game at 10 seconds. If I felt like making the game faster, I could go in here. If I click green flag, you'll notice that everything resets. I'm going to stop it for a second. What if I went in here and I had it wait, instead of 1 second, I have it go to 0.5 seconds. So now I'm going to go a 10-second timer, but it's going to go twice as fast. Oh my God, it's going too fast, going too fast. So I'm going to click through it, and at the end, all I got was 27 that time. So I could do all kinds of things to play with it. And then if you're really, really good, you can use the MyBlocks variable, and that's a special thing. And MyBlocks will allow you to create blocks to allow the user to set their times or to be able to advance the timer through levels. Right now, I want a simple clicks and timers game, and that'll be what we're looking for the end of this project. Good luck. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.